thing is we are not going to fry this kofta. Because when you fry kofta, healthy kofta becomes unhealthy and become very rich in cholesterol and fat. So we are not going to fry it. Second thing, we are going to learn Punjabi gravy making in a very simple and easy way. So let's start making kofta first. To make kofta, first we will put the spinach. This spinach is finely cut and washed nicely. We will add paneer to it. Now we will add different types of masalas to salt, some turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, and maybe little garam masala, curry powder. We are going to eat some chana flour to go with it. 1 spoon, 2 spoon, and maybe little more. Since we are not going to fry kofta, we are going to add bread. Bread gives us nice and soft consistency. In the same thing, we are going to add little fruit salt also. Fruit salt will help to cook the koftas faster, and fruit salt also will make them softer. Now our kofta mix is ready. While you are mixing the kofta, since we are not going to fry the kofta but cook them in the sandwich toaster, you must switch on the sandwich toaster at least 5-10 minutes in advance. As you can see, the red light has turned green. That means the temperature inside the sandwich toaster is very hot and kofta can get cooked very easily. We'll just pour 1 or 2 drops of oil in each triangle of the sandwich toaster. And in this very hot sandwich toaster, in each triangle we can put 2 koftas for cooking. Here we are making spinach and paneer kofta. But whatever other koftas you want to make, maybe mixed vegetable kofta, maybe potato kofta, so whichever, or lauki kofta, you can make any koftas like this. You don't need to fry them. And always use some fruit salt so your koftas are nice and soft. We'll close the sandwich toaster and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Today we are going to make this gravy in just 2 teaspoon oil or ghee, whatever you like. So first we are going to mix tomatoes, onions, ginger and garlic in a mixie. And this Punjabi gravy you can use it for any other dish also. So we are putting tomatoes, onions and ginger and garlic and mix it very nicely. Let's see how well tomato, onions, garlic and ginger are mixed. Oh, they have mixed very well. Now let's cook it on the gas. We will boil this gravy without adding any ghee, any oil or any masala till almost all water is gone. As you can see, our gravy is becoming nice and thick and water is almost gone. Let's cook it for 2 more minutes. Cook till your gravy is thick like this. As I suggested earlier, you can use ghee also. So let's put ghee today in our kofta. So like 1.5 teaspoon of ghee and add this gravy immediately. Add all the masala, salt, red chili powder. How much to add, it will depend upon how hot you like your gravy to be. Some turmeric powder, coriander powder. And while it's boiling, let me give you some good nutritional information about this dish. We have used spinach. Spinach is very rich in iron, vitamin A, and it has lot of fiber. We have used paneer, which is made from skim milk. So paneer is very rich, good source of milk protein, and it is very good for growth and development. It has good calcium and good phosphorus also. We have added spices to our liking. We have added some chana flour, which is also a protein. And we have used brown bread or a whole wheat bread, which is very good source of fiber and vitamin B12. And of course in the gravy we have used tomato, onion, ginger and garlic. and all these things are very good source of antioxidants. Tomato has a special antioxidant which is called lycopene, and each and every person who has a heart problem or a atherosclerosis, tomato is very important thing to eat. And lot of researchers are also coming out with the fact that onion and garlic are very good for heart patients. I like my food to be attractive, appealing and with good aroma and with lot of color. And these koftas are like that. These koftas are nice green color. This gravy is cooked well and very smooth and nice in consistency. We'll pour this nice red color, attractive looking gravy on green kofta. These koftas are very soft. So it's a good idea that you put kofta at the bottom of the bowl and then pour the boiling hot gravy. The kofta will soak the gravy and they will taste very good. We can decorate this kofta with coriander leaves to give it a better color and better look. Here we go. Now our koftas are ready to be eaten with parathas or naan.
See how simple yet tasty.